sir, our today's chief guest, Honorable Principal, Dr. S.P. Pawar, sir, all my fellow colleagues and dear students. On the behalf of organization committee, myself, Akash Jain, welcome you all for guest lecture on the career of pharmacy organized by PSGVP Mandal, College of Pharmacy, Shada. On the behalf of organization committee, myself, Akash Jain, welcome you all for guest lecture on the career of pharmacy organized by PSGVP Mandal, College of Pharmacy, Shada. I am glad to share that the guest of today's lecture, Dr. Naitik Trivedi sir, is a proud alumni of our college and now working in an associate professor in the Gujarat colleges.
सर तुमचा आवाज घडी घडी रिपीट होतोय सर.
इको होतोय सर, इको.
Okay, wait.
हॅलो सर, एक काम करा, रोकडे सरांचा जो माईक येतो त्याला म्यूट करा आणि तुम्ही बोला.
Hello, is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Chavan sir,
Yes,
is it
sir.
clear now?
Yes, sir, it is clear, sir.
Okay.
Turn off one mic, it will be clear, no problem. Okay.
I am glad to share that a guest of today's lecture, Dr. Naitik Trivedi, sir, is a proud alumni of our college. And now I would like to hand over the session to Mr. YB Rokde, sir, for the introduction of the guest. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Am I audible? Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir, you're audible. Yes, sir. Please proceed.
Good morning, all of you. It's a great pleasure for me to introduce our eminent and inspiring personality of today's guest, Dr. Naitik Trivedi. Dr. Naitik Trivedi is an alumni of our college and completed B Pharmacy from PSGP Mandal College of Pharmacy in 2005 and completed M Pharmacy in Pharmacology from Anand College of Pharmacy in 2008 and completed PhD Jodhpur National University, Rajasthan in 2011. Still, he is working as a lecturer in Department of Pharmacology of AR College of Pharmacy and G.H. Patel Institute of Pharmacy, Vallabh Vidyanagar, Gujarat. He has published more than 16 national and international papers in reputed journal and well impact factors. He has published 7 national and international books. He also got first prize in national level oral and poster competition. He is editor, member of editor board and technical editor in many well reputed pharmacy journal. He has guided 3 Master of Pharmacy students and guided 1 PhD student in Gujarat Technical University. He has received rupees 15,000 grant from Government of Gujarat under the Industrial Promotion Scheme for his patent. He has received rupees 1,50,000 grant from AICT. He has received rupees 40,000 grant from CSIR and 50,000 from Gujarat Cause for National Conference and 50,000 from Gujarat Cause for National Workshop. He has received 43,000 grant from Gujarat cause for minor research project. ED second has provided him rupees 40,000 grant under the head of DST NIMAT project for the entrepreneur awareness camp. He has received total rupees 1,80,000 grant to organize Atal FDP program sponsored by AICT Delhi. He has cleared many competitive exams, GPSC class first for the post of associate professor, and he has cleared GPAT examination in 2017 and 2019. He has also given his knowledge by appointed as a guest lecturer. I sincerely thanks for giving me this opportunity for this introduction of this today's guest lecture. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So Naitik Trivedi sir has a very inspiring personality. So I would you like to invite the Dr. Naitik Trivedi sir, please carry the session and enlightening the approaches of on a career of pharmacy.
A very good morning, one and all. Thank you very much, Rokde sir, my good friend, giving the good introduction. Honorable Dr. Pawar sir, principal of this college, Dr. Ghanshyam sir, Professor Sunila madam, Dr. Javes Patil sir, Dr. Hitendra sir, and all the teaching and non-teaching faculty, Suresh Kaka, Kailas sir, Narottam Kaka, Dagabhai, Bhagwan Bhai Patil. I am very much glad to give the plenary lecture in Shahada Pharmacy College because I am the one of the alumni of this associated college, and it is a great pleasure for me to have an introduction and interaction with you. Here, if organizing committee give me the permission, then I can share my screen.
Naitik sir, please hand over the session.
Uh, very good morning, one and all. I am audible.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yes, thank you. First of all, thanks to all Shada Pharmacy family, and it is a great pleasure for me to have an interaction with the beautiful face of the Shada Pharmacy College because I am the one of the alumni from this college, and to interact with you, it is an honor for me. And I have lots of memory from the Shada Pharmacy College, and it gives me a lot what I desire. And respected Dr. Pawar sir, principal of this college, Dr. Ghanshyam sir, Dr. Rokde sir, Dr. Javes sir, Professor Sunila madam, Dr. Hitendra sir, and non-teaching staff member. How can I forget Suresh Kaka, Kailas Bhai, Narottam Kaka, Daga Bhai, Bhagwan Bhai Patil, because I have the beautiful memory from this college with you all people. And to interact with you, it is a great pleasure for me. If you give me the permission, then I can share the screen. And after the plenary lecture, I would like to interact with you all alumni and the students of Shahada Pharmacy College. So I need your kind permission, sir. It is a great pleasure for me.
Sir, please proceed.
After the plenary lecture, I would like to alumni and the students. Sir, my screen is visible.
No, sir, they are available.
Yes, sir. Visible.
My topic for the plenary lecture is career in pharmacy. When you have taken the admission in the pharmacy, then you have the lots of dreams, and there are the, I think, One mic is unmute, so it's getting disturbed. Kindly, all the audience can unmute your mic, please.
Hello, students. Please mute your mic.
Kindly, all the audience can unmute your mic, please. Okay. Today's topic is career in pharmacy. When you have taken the admission in your pharmacy department, that time you have the lots of drink, and without any goal, I think you have not taken admission in the pharmacy. So without wasting the time, I am coming with the topic. Engineering. Why you have not chosen the engineering? Number of colleges increases in the engineering field and the quality of education is decreasing, and in the engineering there is the high fee, saturation in a job, and recession sensitivity is more in the engineering field. First we'll take the engineering and medical field, then I will take you towards the pharmacy, and I will show you the scope in the pharmacy. Here, each year engineering output in a Maharashtra from BE College in 2021 is near about 1,35,593. Out of these, 18 colleges in the government side, 4 college in the grantee side, and 328 college for the self-finance, private, unaided, and university managed side. Total in Maharashtra, there are 350 colleges in Maharashtra state for the BE program. Job placement data. If you look this job placement data in the engineering side, then in 2012 to 2013 is only about the 12.1%, and it is increasing day by day, but not as much expected. Average job placement data is 70.4% in the diploma engineering. What about the Bachelor of Engineering? Its average job placement data is 36.0. Total intake in the 2019 and 21 is near about 1,35,000, and out of that only 45,000 student has placed. What about after the Master of Engineering? In the Master of Engineering, total number of intake is near about 17,000, and out of that 17,000 only 41.9% getting their job. Total from 2012 to 2020 job placement data for the engineering is 24.7. So it is very less, because out of 100% only 24 getting the job in the engineering field. What about the medical field? If you want to choose the medical field, then there is the limited number of the seat, and there are the very high fee. Due to that, you are not getting the admission into the medical field. What about the pharmacy? A well-rounded career in the pharmacy, a vital part of the healthcare system. This is the top 15 pharmaceutical company of the India. Excellent earning potential and trusted profession. Pharmacy is the very much trusted profession than the other profession, and pharmacy college in the Maharashtra state. This is the data from I have taken from the AICT website. Total there are 113 colleges in the Maharashtra state, and out of these colleges, the total number of seat intake is near about the 7,000, and only the 6 government college and 9 grantinate college out of 130 present into the Maharashtra state for the diploma pharmacy, and for the bachelor of pharmacy near about 5 colleges in the government department and 5 colleges in the grantinate department. Total number of colleges is 137, and total seat intake is near about the 11,170, which is the very much less as compared to the engineering, because in the engineering there is near about the 1,35,000 seat, and here only the in a few thousand, that is near about the 11,000. And for the Master of Pharmacy in Maharashtra state, total number of colleges is 89. Out of these 89, 5 from the government side and 5 from the grantee side, and total total number of seat in the Master of Pharmacy is near about 3,500. So there is the limited number of the seat, and saturation ratio is too much low than compared to the engineering field. Job placement data, here you can see in 2019 to 2020, D pharmacy, after completion of the D pharmacy, 69.1% students got the job. That means out of 100, 70% students has placed, and it is the very much high ratio. After completion of the B pharmacy, near about 50.9, near about the 51% students got the job in 2029 to 20. And here you can see day by day pharmacy seat intake getting increased, but the engineering seat intake getting the decrease. And it is the very much happiness for the us that out of 100 students, 51% getting their job. After completion of the MPharm, the ratio is getting increased. It's near about the 70%, 68.8%. That's why it is the very good ratio. After completion of the M pharmacy, you will definitely get the job. Because what do pharmacy do? Pharmacist क्या कर सकता है? Educate patient about the prescription. What is the role of the pharmacist? I think it is essential to know role of the pharmacist. And in first year or in after the completion of the your degree, many interviewer can ask what is the role of the pharmacist in the community. So educate the patients about the prescription and over the counter medication, advise other healthcare profession on the drug decision for the patient, provide expert about the composition of the drug, because pharmacists know the what kind of the composition and what their effect other than the medical expert, including chemical, biological, physical properties as well as use of the drug. Only pharmacist can know. Ensure drug purity and strength, ensure drug do not interact in a harmful way. Pharmacists are the drug information expert. No one know more about the medication than the pharmacist. That's why pharmacists are the drug information expert. Duration of the course. For the D pharmacy it is 2 year, for the B pharmacy it is 4 year, for the M pharmacy it is the 2 year, and for the PhD it will take 3 years to the 7 years depending on your university and the guide. And PharmD, there is the newer course implemented by the our Pharmacy Council of India, and it is a very much important course. It is the near about the 6 years course, and PharmD has the two division. One is the PharmD full and the second is the post baccalaureate PharmD. It is the 3-year course. After completion of the B pharmacy you can join the PharmD course as a post baccalaureate PharmD. To getting the admission in the pharmacy course, it is essential to pass the 12th with the science stream, including the subject physics, chemistry, biology, either or maths. Minimum marks required 40% for the open category and 40% for the reserve category. You need to clear your Maharashtra state competitive entrance examination, or you need to clear the NEET or JEE main. Career option in a pharmacy, you can see the pharma tree here. There are the lots of option in the pharmacy field. No one other stream gives this kinds of the opportunity and that much of the career opportunity. Production manufacturing, formulation development, quality assurance and quality control, drug regulatory affair, pharmaceutical packaging and technology, research and development, hospital pharmacy, community pharmacy, opportunity in abroad, entrepreneurship, chemist shop, regulatory body, government jobs, marketing, academic, etc. We'll see one by one. Career option after completing of the B Pharm or M Pharm. The great profession is the teaching, because you can educate the people and you can put the ethics and you can learn and you can give the lots of things in this profession. After completion of your master of pharmacy, I have given salary structure as per the 6 pay, not as per the 7th pay, because government has already implemented the 7th pay, but I have calculated salary structure as per the 6th pay. After passing of the Master of Pharmacy, you will get the job as an assistant professor. Starting salary is near about 43,000 to 44,000. After completion of the 5 years in a teaching field, you can promoted as an associate professor if you have completed your PhD. Then the salary will go rise. It's near about 78,000 to the 80,000. If you choose the profession as a pharmacist, then it is essential to complete the D Pharm or B Pharm. No need to complete the M Pharm. In that you can get the job in the government sector, or you can get the job in the private or multinational hospital, where you can earn near about the 33,000 rupees of the salary in the government sector. Next opportunity for the pharmacist as a quality assurance health manager. The pharmacy graduate can play an important role in the development of a clinical care plans, can investigate adverse medication event in some case and suggest a preventive measure, because pharmacists have the knowledge regarding the adverse drug reaction, drug interaction, etc. He or she can play a role in spreading awareness among the people about the AIDS and the preventive measure to be taken, because there are the lots of hospital who can start these types of the quality assurance healthcare manager program in their setup. So it is a great opportunity for the pharmacist to start a job as a quality assurance health manager in a multinational hospital. Next opportunity as a medical transcriptioner. The BPharm pharmacy graduate can work with the medical practitioner or to maintain the patient treatment history, the drug to which he or she in allergic, etc. Here there is you can start your business, or you can start the job at working from the home, because medical transcriptioner, some of the foreigner or some of the multinational hospital give the history of the patient to you, and you have to identify whether they have prescribed the rescue drug or not, they have the drug interaction or not, they have taking the drug at the right time or not. You just make data regarding their treatment and the drug, and you have to submit through the online mode, so you can earn lots of things from working at your home. Analytical chemist or quality control manager. The pharmacy graduate can play a crucial role in controlling the product quality. The Drug and the Cosmetic Act 1945 rule 71(1) and the 76(1) says that the manufacturing activity should be taken up under the supervision of technical man. That means it is essential to industry to appoint the technical man to supervise the product under the quality control manager. Here there is the lots of variability, because they can appoint the BPharm graduate, BSc graduate, BTech or medicine with the biochemistry, so lots of competition here. But if you sacrifice with the salary, then you can get the job, and if you have the quality, then you can earn more after getting the job. Then sales and marketing, it is the very much effective job, because here you can earn beyond the limit. Ambitious achievement with the pleasant personality you need, and good communication skill, as well as the companies prefer pharmacy graduate for this job, as they have a good knowledge about the drug molecules, their therapeutic effect and the drug interaction. So here you need knowledge regarding your drug for which you are going to be launched into the market, or going to be served for the community. Here you need the good communication skill as well as the pleasant personality. The one most growing field is the clinical research for the BPharm and MPharm degree holder. Here the human testing phase is known as the clinical trial. As we know, there are the two kinds of the clinical trial. First one is the preclinical, and second is the clinical trial. Preclinical, that means study onto the animal, and clinical trial, that means study onto the human. Here we have got the corona vaccine. After passing their after passing their clinical trial phases from the human, because it is essential to prove that the drug is safe onto the human or not, because sometimes if it launch into the market and it shows the harmful effect like as the thalidomide. Have you know about the thalidomide tragedy in the US country? Some of the pregnant women who are getting the insomnia, because during the time of the pregnancy the insomnia, नींद नहीं आना, lacking of the sleep, आपको नींद नहीं आती है pregnancy के time पे. So some of the women taking the thalidomide, and those women who have taken the thalidomide, they birth the defective lymph deformities child. That means उनके छोटे छोटे हाथ, full body normal है लेकिन हाथ छोटे पैर छोटे, because of this drug has not evaluated onto the pregnant woman. So this kind of the tragedy can arise. That's why it is essential to drug pass from the all the clinical trials. And it is in the clinical trial the pharmacist role is the vital, and you can get the good salary and good scope into the clinical research. For that, it is essential to complete your M Pharmacy in pharmacology department or either in the pharmacy practice. Previously, it is known as the clinical pharmacy. Data manager. A pharmacist can seek employed as a data manager to store the data in the computer and process it using software development. For that, there are the many 1 year or 2 years diploma course has started after the graduation of the pharmacy, from where you can learn the many software, how to store the data, and how to use their pharmacy information, drug related data. And multinational hospital can use these kinds of the data for once you type the name of the patient, then you can get the history of that patient, previously when he has came, when he has visited, what kinds of the drug he has taken, and what the allergic reaction. You can get all the information in a one click. So this kind of the data manager job you can get. A regulatory manager, a pharmacy graduate can work as a regulatory manager in a company and contract research organization, which is also known as the CRO. There are the many CRO in the Maharashtra and near about region, and they can give the good package of the salary. Then the career in a regulatory body. Pharmacist can be absorbed in a regulatory bodies like Food and Drug Administration. If you have a good knowledge regarding your field and you have a good kinds of the experience, then you can get the job as a drug inspector. For that, it is essential to pass the your Maharashtra state competitive examination. And in last year, I think they have given the advertisement, but they have not fulfilled this seat due to the corona impact. So in near future you have the opportunity to apply for the MPSC examination to get the job as a drug inspector. Biotechnology is a fast growing branch, and BPharm graduate can opt for the postgraduate diploma program in a bioinformatics. Nowadays bioinformatics is the growing field from where you can get the job. The BPharm program is considered as a paramedical program because BPharm is under the paramedical science or medical field stream. The BPharm science graduate can work in a hospital as a hospital pharmacist or a community pharmacist. It is a great opportunity to get a job as a hospital pharmacist and the community pharmacist in a nearby hospital or multinational hospital, like as there are the lots of multinational hospital available into the your Maharashtra state. Since they have a good knowledge of the therapeutic effect of a drug and that of drug-drug interaction, they are more suitable for a job in a clinical research. They can opt for the post of clinical pharmacist, clinical research associated in a clinical research laboratory. Uh, Out of that, there is the good scope in a abroad. If you have a dream to work in a abroad and earn good salary in a US, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, UK, Gulf country, then at least you can earn 50 USD dollar per hour for the as a registered pharmacist. I am giving you the brief introduction how to become a pharmacist in a US and a pharmacist in a Canada. If you have a doubt, then you can ask me between the lecture or after completing of the my session. How to register as a pharmacist, foreign graduate, that is out of US graduate. Foreign pharmacy graduate have to take the foreign pharmacy graduate equivalency examination in the US and English proficiency test of English as a foreign language, which is also known as the TOEFL. After passing the foreign pharmacy graduate equivalency examination, students have to complete internship hour near about the 500 to 1500 hour depending upon the various state. After obtaining the necessary internship hours, students must have to pass the Northern American Pharmacist Licensure examination, which is known as the NAPLEX. So you need to clear the two examination, FPGEE and NAPLEX. United States, half pharmacists are located within the drugstore, grocery store, hospital, department store, medical clinic, surgery clinics, university, nursing homes, prisoners, and the other facilities. The remaining pharmacists are considered to be independent or privately owned. That is near about pharmacists can earn 99,000 to the 1,40,000 USD per annum. It is very depending on many factor. If you need to take the more information, then I have given here the link. I will share my slide with you, and you can get it from the Rokde sir. There are the many doubt in your mind, okay, whether I will be registered pharmacist in US after getting the visa or not. So I am clearing your doubt. From the January 1 2003, foreign pharmacy graduate equivalency examination, which is known as the FPGEE, will require foreign educated pharmacists to have earned their profession degree from a 5-year curriculum program. That means what? You have to complete a 5 years pharmacy course. And what is the lacking in India? India, we have 4 years program for the pharmacy graduate course. Thus, BPharm graduate are not eligible for register as a pharmacist in the US after the 2003. Certain people think that if they will do the MPharm, which is 2 years curriculum program, then BPharm plus MPharm will complete total 6 year of the curriculum program. So whether they are eligible for the registered pharmacist in US or not. So answer is not, which is also not eligible for register as a pharmacist in the US. Instead of, one can go for the MS in pharmaceutical science in the US. If you go for the MS after completing of the B pharmacy, and you will get the MS degree, Master of Science. Here it is known as the Master in Pharmacy, and there it is known as the Master in Science. Then one can work in a pharmaceutical industry but cannot register as a pharmacist. BPharm graduate can go for the PharmD education in US, and then they can get registered as a pharmacist in the US. But for the PharmD graduate from the India, also need to complete the FPGEE and NAPLEX examination to become a registered pharmacist. There is a uncertain news that MPharm only in a clinical pharmacy with continuous study after the BPharm without taking the any gap are eligible for the FPG, but we advise you to contact National Association of Board of Pharmacy directly whether this news is right or wrong. So how to become a pharmacist in Canada? 4 year B pharmacy is valid in Canada instead of the USA. So there is a great future in the Canada, but there are some examination to complete a national board examinations, which is known as the PBC, which is also known as the Pharmacy Examination Board of Canada. Before applying to the PBC, for first step, documentation verification, you need to upload all the document on the PVC website. They will identify your evaluate your document, and after evaluating, they will provide you the national identifier number. After completion of the document verification, you need to clear the two examination within the 5 years of the period. If you not complete this PVC within the 5 years after the evaluation of the your document, you will not eligible to get the license or to become a pharmacist. The pharmacist evaluating examination, you must pass the examination. There are the two kinds of the examination. First examination is based on the MCQ, which is completing syllabus like as pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical analysis, chemistry, all. And the second is based on to the totally purely based on onto the clinical study, clinical trial. So it is essential you have to gain the knowledge about the pharmacology, clinical pharmacy, pharmacy practice, and clinical related data. It will be easy to clear this examination. The pharmacist qualifying examination part 1 and part 2 is the final step to get the certificate from the PEBC. After getting the certificate, you are eligible as a pharmacist in the Canada. There is no need to give the TOEFL and the other foreign language examination. There are some people who have the doubt whether I will be the eligible for the citizenship, or I need to be a PR to become a registered pharmacist. So there is the no need. For immigration questions, contact your local Canadian embassy. You do not need to be a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident to undergo document evaluation or write the PEBC exams. So thank you very much for your patient listening. If you have a doubt, then you can ask me. Rokde sir, over to you. If any participant have a doubt, then they can unmute their mic and they can interact directly with me, because I am very glad if you interact with me directly, because I am one of the students from your Sharda Pharmacy College.
Yes, students.
Okay, thank you, sir. First of all, thank you for give us a valuable.
Yes, Akash sir.
Student, if you have any queries about regarding the scope of your pharmacy, career of pharmacy, you directly interact with sir. Any questions, sir?
So kindly, Prachi, unmute yourself and ask the question. Prachi Dusne. Are you there, Prachi?
Yes, sir. Sir, I
Thank
am
you,
an
sir,
assistant professor in College of Pharmacy,
for the
admitted for our
giving us
college.
a valuable
Okay,
time.
okay, sorry,
Thank you
ma'am.
for sharing us such a valuable key
Thank you,
of
sir.
knowledge with
If you
us.
permit, then I want to
Sir was
interact.
such a nicely enlightened on the career of pharmacy, and various opportunity is opening to the country by country or all over world. Now, sir, student is a clear his doubt and which
Sir,
opportunity is a suitable for the itself and where it goes. It's a definitely clearing in there. Such a thank you, sir, for the such a.
Chetan, I think roll number 70. Can you unmute yourself and interact with me? Chetan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do you have any doubt regarding the career in pharmacy?
No, sir. No doubt.
Uh, Anyone else? Because I am from the Sharda College. I just want to share some memory from this college with you.
Sir, they are shying, I think.
Okay, no issue, sir. Sir, if you permit and the time is okay for me, then I want to share some memory from the Shada College.
Okay, sir.
Sir, definitely, sir. Please proceed. We are eager to hear you.
Yeah. So I have taken admission in 2001. This one is my first photo at in front of the gate Pujya Sane Guruji Vidya Prasarak Mandal when I have taken. That time this gate is under the construction.
Excellent.
These are my friend Naresh Rajgor, Kaushal Dave, Viral Shah, Gautam, Tushar. Here you know Yogesh Rajput, and here there are the lots of person. Here the one fellow which is in the red T-shirt, who is the Kaushal Dave. He is working in a US FDA at USA. So he is operating US FDA from the US, and he is earning lots of things, and he has a very good goal in their life. So that's why he has settled in the US. Here Viral Shah is the AGM in pharma company. Naresh Rajgor, he has set up their own consultancy. Tushar Mahajan, who is working in the Mumbai, and he is in a managerial level. Here Utkars Utkars in the bottom photo Utkars, who is in the US, and they have their own shop in the USA. There are lots of people from our batch has a good job. Here, this is the photo of the fresher party in 2002. Only 7 girls in our class. Here I am in a natural day. This one is the Titanic. We can call the Titanic to our hostel, Sandibani hostel. Here the Mahila Vasti group. During the time of our college, we have enjoyed lots of things. Here there is the fashion show and good dress competition. That time we give the examination in the morning session, and we attending the practical. There is the no any kinds of the holiday is given by the our principal sir. And that time when we have entered in the college, that time the principal sir was Sunil Bothra sir and Alia Sheikh madam, and in the third year Pawar sir has taken the charge. Here I have visited college after the my graduation with my family. I have met Javed sir, Kailas Bhai, Professor Sunila madam, and all my colleagues. Where I have where I have the good memory, that is the Ashtabhuja Devi Mandir. When I get disappointed, that time I just go to that temple and pray to the God, and she has fulfilled my all the dreams. ये राजू भाई है और मासी है, अभी 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 भी आपको पता होगा. आई हैव टेकन दी लंच एंड डिनर एट देयर होम. ये जिग्नेश है, आपको पता होगा. आपको उनके फादर का नाम भी शायद निकनेम भी पता होगा. तो हम वहां से अपना नाश्ता और वो सब करते थे. सुगिरनी हॉस्टल के गणपति बापा, जहाँ पर हम जाते थे, और काफी बार ऐसी गुड मेमोरी है कि कुछ भी टेंशन हो एग्जाम का, और वहां पर जाके हम बोले तो गणपति बाबा हमारा एग्जाम का टेंशन भी दूर कर देते थे. I made finally to the our honorable principal sir, Sunil Pawar sir. The way of he taught the cognosy, we can never forget, because today we can learn lots of things from their ability. हम टीचर है, लेकिन हमें उनके पास से बहुत चीजें सीखनी है कि कैसे पढ़ाया जाता है, कैसे डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन किया जाता है, बिकॉज ही मेंटेन द लॉट्स ऑफ डिसिप्लिन. And the Sada Pharmacy College is particularly famous for their discipline and their result, because in North Maharashtra University at our time there is near 5 to 6 colleges, and our college got the first rank from the North Maharashtra University. And during that time पवार सर किसी को भी खड़े करके बोल देते थे चलो बोलो सेना का बायोलॉजिकल नेम क्या है, तब टेंशन में आ जाते थे। फिर को अगर नहीं आता है तो पवार सर बोलते थे चलो 5 times ये राइट अप करो और लिखो। सर, द वे ऑफ टीचिंग गिव्स अस द नॉलेज अबाउट द फार्माकोग्नोसी वी नेवर फॉरगेट टिल डेट, बिकॉज केशिया एंगोस्टिफोलिया बिलोंगिंग टू द लेगुमिनासे अगर हमें पता है तो जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ यू एंड द वे ऑफ टीचिंग, हेड्स ऑफ सर। And Rokde sir has taken the admission after discontinuation of their MBBS college. There are the few person who know Rokde sir has got the admission in the well reputed college of the Mumbai Maharashtra, and unfortunately he has discontinued his study and taken the admission, so he has a vast of knowledge. You can take the benefit from the Rokde sir. Professor Sunila Madam, I congratulate Professor Sunila Madam because she got the eminent award from the AICT. Ghanshyam sir has met me in the Gujarat in I think sir we met in the Baroda in Sigma Pharmacy or Pioneer Pharmacy.
Yes, sir.
Am I right, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And we have the good kind of the memory, and the way his simplicity is the very much effective. घनश्याम सर एकदम सिंपल सर है और मैं उनसे काफी बार इंटरेक्शन कर चुका हूँ। अगर शारदा फार्मेसी कॉलेज में आप पढ़ रहे हो तो आई डेफिनेटली से दैट यू विल बी गेट गुड जॉब, एंड नॉट ओनली द गुड जॉब but you will get the good discipline in your life. My wife is also from the Sharda Pharmacy College. So here I end over my session, and now you can interact with me if you have any doubt, because our college has already got the NBA accreditation, and it is the first college who have the 1955 IP, and just because of this college I can learn lots of things from the reference book, which is Lachman Lieberman series, Munson. Then there are we have used the just because of Bothrasa Tortora that time, but there are right now there are the lots of small pages book are available, but I think this kinds of the practice is not allowed by the principal sir in our time. They give us the big book और हम उस बुक को देख के भी डर जाते थे, but today just because of that kinds of the book I am here in a government job. So over to you, sir. Sir, can you allow the participant to सर मेरी स्क्रीन अभी आप स्क्रीन शेयर को डिसकंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं सर?
Yes, sir. Hello, Akash sir.
Stop
Over to you.
sharing. Okay, I have stopped the sharing my screen. Sir,
Yes, sir.
if you allow the participant to turn on their video, so I can interact one by one.
Hello, Akash sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have stopped the sharing my screen.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, if you allow Patil Narayani is the students from your college, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you unmute Patil Narayani?
Yes, sir.
What is your goal? Why you have taken the admission in your B Pharmacy field? Is there any goal or you have any dream to take the admission in B Pharmacy course?
My dream.
कशासाठी you have taken the admission in B Pharmacy course? आपने एडमिशन बी फार्मेसी कोर्स में क्यों लिया, ना के इंजीनियरिंग, ना मेडिकल फील्ड और अदर कोर्स?
मुझे फार्मेसी करना मेरा ड्रीम था.
ओके. हेतल पाटिल, why you have taken the admission in B Pharmacy?
Sir, I have to complete my B pharmacy and then I have to pursue job and earn and become a self-independent.
Okay. So self-independence is the very much important goal for the lady.
Yes. Yes, sir.
You not want to go into the higher post or position.
No, sir, I want to just complete my B pharmacy and then get a job.
Okay. Okay. Chetna, madam, is there any specific goal for the pharmacy? Kindly unmute yourself and then you can proceed.
आता येतोय आवाज सर?
हा, आता
येतोय?
या.
नमस्कार सर.
नमस्कार.
मला फार्मसीला ऍडमिशन याच्यामुळे द्यायचं होतं की मला फार्मसी ऑफिसर व्हायचंय.
फार्मसी ऑफिसर. गुड. सो तुमचं नाव चेतना. So you want to get the job in a government sector, I think so. You have the dream.
Yes.
Okay, it is the good dream. For that,
Thank you, sir.
for that you have the idea how to get the government job. Now, Chetna. You have to see the website of Maharashtra Public Service Commission. After the graduation, there are the lots of opportunity for the government job as a pharmacy graduate. You can not only enter into the pharma field, but after the completion of the graduate, you can become a drug inspector, DYSP, Mamlatdar, etc. There are the lots of opportunity. My one of the friend now has joined as a deputy DYSP. Okay. Rohan Bamre.
Yes, sir.
Kindly turn on your video. What is your goal?
Sir, want to become a drug inspector.
Drug inspector. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you set up your goal in front of your eye? That means have you stick any kinds of the sticker or any kind of the tattoo on your wall that remind you that I want to become a drug inspector? आपने कहीं पर ऐसा फोटो लगाया है कि मुझे ड्रग इंस्पेक्टर ही बनना है ऐसा?
Sir, it's in my mind to become it. So
माइंड में शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी होती है, लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी नहीं होती है. अगर आप सामने देखोगे, फिक्स करोगे, देन यू कैन अचीव. पॉजिटिव एनर्जी क्रिएट करो. मुझे बचपन से ही था कि गवर्नमेंट जॉब चाहिए, तो मैंने एक गोल सेट किया था. मैं आपको मेरा गोल बताता हूँ. आई वॉन्ट टू टेक पी क्यूब एंड एस क्यूब. नैतिक त्रिवेदी का एन लो और नीचे पी क्यूब डालो और एस क्यूब. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द पी क्यूब? पैसा, पावर, पोजीशन. I need paisa, power, position. S cube, self-respect, security and satisfaction. I need self-respect, security and satisfaction. I am in a government job. I have the good position. That's why I have the paisa and position. But I do not have the power. मेरे पास कोई power है? अगर 3 सवारी बाइक पे जाऊँ और पुलिस वाला मुझे पकड़े और मैं बोलूँ कि मैं टीचर हूँ, तो क्या मेरा फाइन नहीं लेगा? वो डबल फाइन देगा. एजुकेटेड पीपल होके आप ऐसा कर रहे हो. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
लेकिन अगर मैं ड्रग इंस्पेक्टर रहूं या डीवाईएसपी रहूं, मेरा पास पावर हो, तो that's why I have the self respect and security. Understand?
Yes,
मेरे
sir.
पास पी स्क्वायर है और एस स्क्वायर है, बट जब पी क्यूब और एस क्यूब होगा तब मेरे पास सेटिस्फेक्शन होगा. नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल, नैतिक त्रिवेदी एंड सेटिस्फेक्शन. That's why fix your goal such kind of a way and put that goal in front of your eye. When you wake up from the bed, that time आपकी first जो आई की नजर है वो कहाँ जानी चाहिए? आपके गोल पे. Fix your goal. Without goal you are animal, because animal उठते हैं, उनका कोई गोल नहीं होता है, खाना पीना और घूमना, बस. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए आपकी लाइफ में. You are in a good profession. Pharmacy has the good opportunity in a future. That's why you can earn lots of things. Only पैसा भी जरूरी नहीं होता है, position and power भी जरूरी होता है लाइफ में. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Neha Patil. Neha Patil. Neha Patil is there. Bhagyasri Patil, I think 70% from your class from the Patil family. Patil, Bhagyasri Patil. Shivani Jaiswal.
Yes, sir.
ओके क्या है आपका गोल आप बता सकते हैं मुझे
I am become a drug inspector.
ड्रग इंस्पेक्टर ओके बहुत सारे लोगों को ड्रग इंस्पेक्टर बनना है और हमारे शारदा फार्मेसी कॉलेज से ड्रग इंस्पेक्टर बने भी हैं आपके शायद लेक्चर भी लिए होंगे सीनियर ड्रग इंस्पेक्टर है हमारे शारदा फार्मेसी कॉलेज से
यस सर नितिन जाधव
हाँ नितिन जादव
जाधव
सर यस
Yes.
जादव सर you can take the advice of that Jadhav sir he will guide you definitely if your goal is to become a drug inspector then he will definitely guide you anyone want to go abroad anyone want to go in abroad okay it's too late because it's 12:30 so it's your lunch time I think so I am endovering my session now Kansham sir
Yes, sir.
nice to see you after a long time
Yes, sir. I also. Okay. Thank you, sir. This is Dr. Ganesham Chauhan, Associate Professor, Puja Sani Puja Vidya Prasad Mendel's College of Pharmacy, Shada. It's my immense pleasure to express my gratitude towards our management, our president, Shri Bapu Sir Deepak Patil, and our beloved principal, Dr. S.P. Pawar sir, who is always among the encouragement. And due to him only, we are able to arrange this program of guest lecture, in which our chief guest, Dr. Neti Trivedi sir, from the last 10 years, we are in touch. So it's very great pleasure that I am able to see you. Sir have presented lots of research papers. Sir have also published lots of books. Still, sir have spared some time for us. Only on a single call, sir have given us time, and now he is expressing himself in our college. And it's great pleasure that from so many years now we are able to see sir. And sir have expressed lots of knowledge to our students. I hope our students will get benefited from his knowledge. And sir have discussed regarding how many colleges are there from the beginning and how we should get admission to pharmacy, B pharmacy, D pharmacy, M pharmacy, and what are the various shades of job opportunities in the regulatory affairs, in the clinical trials. Even, sir, I don't know whether we have to go for foreign and we can become pharmacists. So that also you explain to our students that how can we become pharmacists, hospital pharmacists. We can go into the biotech department also, and we can crash our that TOEFL and GRE. And also we have discussed with our students, sir. That's another great thing that we have discussed with our students. We have encouraged the students that they can develop their careers in the field of government jobs also. They can become drug inspector, they can become a DYSP, SP. It's very nice thing, sir. So you have highlighted all the departments, all the shades of pharmacy, that what pharmacists can do. And students also get benefit from yourself. I hope they will shape their career according to your way you have expressed, your way you have discussed. Very nice presentation, sir. Very nice session we have discussed with our students. And also I am thankful for our principal to give opportunity to give vote of thanks in present of you. And we are also thankful for our staff members, our beloved principal, we are our non-teaching staff, our technical team, and the last and not the least, our students, the dear participants. Without you, it's just impossible to complete this program. And thank you for making this program wonderful and successful. And hope, sir, in future also you will guide our students. We will guide us also, because sir have also helped us in my PhD from last 10 years. So isn't it, sir?
Yeah,
Without
definitely,
support.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, I am always ready to help to the SADA
Yes, sir.
alumni because
Yes.
right now you associated with the SADA Pharmacy College, so you are also the one of the alumni from this college.
Yes, sir, definitely. And I have asked you, yeah, and without any single question, you have helped me, sir. Because earlier we don't have any experience, we don't have any exposure, but you have immediately you have helped me, sir. It is very kind nature of yourself, sir. So thank you, sir, for helping us, and for we are expecting in future also you will help myself.
Sir, thanks to you
team.
giving me the opportunity, sir. Thanks to you because as a alumni, I am always like to interact with these beautiful students from the Shahada Pharmacy College, and I
Yes, sir.
really thanks to the Dr. Anna Saab Patil, Makarand Bhai Patil
Yes,
sir, because of their great vision. Shahada Pharmacy College reached the high level because
Yes, sir.
it's
They are doing
yeah,
colleges.
yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Because they have did lots of things from the beginning when I have taken the admission, and they are ready to give the all kind of help to the students.
Yes, sir.
And I have learned lots of things from the Pawar sir, and they have arranged such kinds of the lecture. It is the great things, and just because of their great vision, our college has accredited with the NBA. I think you
Yes,
are
sir.
now in the process to get the affiliation with the NBA.
Yes, sir. Now we are trying for NAC, sir.
NEC,
Now
okay,
I going for NAC.
okay,
Yes, sir.
okay,
NAC accreditation.
okay.
Yes, sir.
And thanks to Prachi madam and all the staff member, Yogesh Rokde, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, please visit in future also if it is possible.
Yeah, definitely, because Shada is my one of the good home, you can say hometown.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
और there are the lots of relative reside in the शारदा और मेरी काफी मेमोरी है मनोली मनोली थिएटर एज वेल एज दी वो सारंगखेड़ा का जो मेला होता था वो
Festival.
फेस्टिवल एंड आई वुड लाइक टू लव टू ईट दी साबूदाना वो थिएटर के पास
Saudara.
चाचा
Yes,
खड़े
sir.
रहते थे और साबूदाना देते थे
Yes, sir. Yes,
और
sir.
वो रबड़ी वाले एक चाचा थे अभी हुलाबाई की कैंटीन बंद हो गई बट एट दैट टाइम हमारे टाइम पे हुलाबाई की कचौरी उसका टेस्ट आज भी मेरे मुंह में है सर ऐसी कचौरी मैंने कभी नहीं खाई है सर
Yes, sir. I can remind, sir.
और वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट सर के व्हेन आई विजिटेड द सादा फार्मेसी कॉलेज दैट रिमाइंड मी द लॉट्स ऑफ ओल्ड फेस अगर हम कहीं पर जाएं तो हमारे पहचान वाले हो ना तो हमें जाने की मजा आती है सर
Yes, sir. Definitely.
दे गिव द स्टेबिलिटी वहां पर
Yes.
इतनी स्टेबिलिटी है कि हमारे टाइम 2005 से लेके अब तक हम 2021 में जाए ना मुझे लगता है कि ये लोग भी जब पास आउट होके जाएंगे ना तो आई थिंक वहां पर स्टेबल स्टाफ होगा
Yes, sir. Sir, please do visit our college when we are in offline meeting. We are expecting your knowledge should be shared among our students.
Definitely, sir. And
Okay, sir.
if any kind of the any students want to download the notes, then my website you can search Dr. Naitik Trivedi in Google. So you will get my notes from my website from from first sem to the last sem, just for the pharmacology department. That means human anatomy notes, pharmacology practical notes. It's a free of cost. You can download my apps from the Google Play Store. You can search Naitik Trivedi, PEBC and GPAT examination. So you will get such kind of the knowledge through the online mode.
Thank you, sir, for helping our students.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Can we end meeting now?
Yes, leave the meeting.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Shall I leave?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please, sir.
चलो हो गया सक्सेस हो गया सर